Good morning, AWP students. Today's topic is radiation mechanism in two-wire. Topic is 1.3. Okay. A two-wire system has two parallel conductors connected to an AC source. AC means alternating current source for accelerating of charges purpose. Then only radiation will occur. Second point, current flows forward in one wire and returns through the other wire. Once again repeating, current flows forward in one wire and returns through the other wire. Since the current are in opposite directions, the fields around both wires interact. So here what I told, fields around both wires will interact. When the wire spacing is very small, the electric and magnetic fields remain mostly between the two wires only. In this case, very little energy escapes, so radiation also very small from the wires because space is very less. If the wires are opened out or separated, then only fields are no longer fully cancelled. Fields are no longer fully cancelled. Now, some changing electric and magnetic fields move away from the two-wire system. Okay? This escaping field energy travels as an EM wave into the free space. Therefore, two wires, TWO2, ఈ రెండు వైర్లు two wires radiate better when they are spread apart like an antenna. A dipole antenna is formed when the two wires are opened into two TWO2 arms. Two arms. Okay? My dear students, once again, I want to explain in simple words all these things mentioned in the image as well as in the description box. In simple words, we can say like this. In a two-wire system, we have two conductors connected to AC source. One wire carries current away from the source and another wire brings current back. This is like a road with two lanes, LANES, two lanes. One lane is going forward and the other lane is coming back. In the similar manner, when the two wires are close to each other, the electric and magnetic fields of one wire almost cancelled by the fields of other wire. So, most of the energy stays near the wires and travels along them. Now imagine opening the two wires apart like opening both arms. Then what will happen? We'll see. The fields cannot cancel completely. The changing electric field and magnetic field will escape into the free space. This escaping energy becomes EM waves. A simple analogy is clapping with both hands very close. The sound is small. Clapping with both hands very close, then sound is very small. But if you spread and move the hands widely, then effect is louder and clearer. In the similar manner, in antennas, spreading two wires makes radiation stronger. Okay, my dear students, our dipole antenna in radio communication is made by opening two wires into two arms for better radiation into the free space. My dear little communication engineers, bye.